So this is the search results page. So this is the search header. Okay, so so this is the search header, and so all these results are present or not. Then choose one of the from the results page. Choose one of the product, any of the product. Go there. Then this is the details page. In the details page, you get a number of images here, and also this information, and this metadata, and this price data, and add to cart, quantity, so all this. So this is the one product details page. Yeah, so these are the pages pending, and logout page one is that we need to do a logout also. So that's another page, logout. This is the logout page, continue. And these messages you verify, go and continue. So this will be logged out. So these are the pages we need to build now. Results page, search results page, and then we have to build product details page, and then logout page. These are the pages so we need. So let's go and build them, and then we can call those things one by one. Okay, so then we can create a test cases from there. Okay, so okay, so let me continue that. We can proceed further. Mm, okay. So home page, login page, my account page, right? So let me create next page. What is the next page we need to create? So we have to create a, yeah, even we have a registration page also. All those we need to log out. First I'll create a logout page. Let me create quickly logout page. So I already mentioned, so I'm just going to copy, but I'll explain all the functions. So logout page extends the WebDriver utils, and logger we don't need, but yeah, so we can take out that. So logout page WebDriver driver, so super of driver page fact init elements driver comma the space, and all the web elements account logout header. So as I mentioned just now, account logout header. So again, so we log in, we'll come to know. So this is the one, account logout header means this one, and that account logout header, and then we have a continue button. So this is the continue button, and then we have a account logged off message. This is the one, logged off message. That message I have written hash content p. So home icon. So this is the home icon, and then we have logout breadcrumb, and this is the logout breadcrumb. So those are the things. So we are written here, and that respective methods, right? The respective methods we are developing. Maybe I can use this @step step here meta. So we can develop the description here clearly. Get logout page title. Get logout page title. So @step logout page URL. This one logout header is present or not @step. So these are all the details you will get in the Allure reports. So Allure reports will give you the details. So those places you can get it. Check account logout header. So account logout header is displayed. So next account, yeah, I can check step, check account logged off message is displayed. So save, check logout breadcrumb is displayed. Click on continue button. So navigate to home page. Navigate to home page. So these are all the steps. So we develop. And next page is uh, search results page. Okay, search results page. Next method. Let's create a search results page. So time utils. I think time utils we developed or not, not sure. Under utilities, do we have a time utils? Yeah, it is there. Why it's not showing? Let's go search results page. Search results page. So utilities. Is okay. Wait for. So we need to see why this is not importing. So even though it is available, time utils util class only. Let's do a cleanup. Maven clean and Maven install. Sometimes it will. Yeah. These two pages we have to create yet. We haven't created, we'll create them. First of all, why this is not recognizing? The driver is missing. Exception was missing, and yeah, just save it. We'll fix that. Seriously. Okay, we'll fix this later. So this wait time, not that much important. We can fix this later. Next, let's move. What is the next piece? We want search results of product details piece. Next, product details piece. Just create all the pages we are creating now. Time details is not working. The last page, registration page. See, this is the registration. If you go here, let's go here, and this is the registration. You have to give all this data. You have to fill this data, and we are so selecting any subscription and check this checkbox and continue. So that's how we need to do. How can we do? You have to do a random data. If you do same data, same email, password, it will throw error, duplicate email. So you have to do every time when you are running a test case, your new account will create, email will be there. Same email we should not use. So that issue we need to resolve. That how can we do? So I'll show you here. Okay. See here. So this is the one registration page, and all the elements we identified. Registration account header. So this is the registration account header. And then registration account login link. So this is the login link. and then personal details, legend text. So this is the personal details legend text. First name, last name, email, telephone, all the elements are identified. First name, last name, email edit box, telephone edit box, home icon, password, legend edit box. So this is the password legend edit box. And then password edit box, confirm password edit box. So subscription yes radio button, no radio button. Privacy policy checkbox. So all these this page entire page elements I identified. Continue button. So continue button. So agree error message. See, when you submit without checking this checkbox, so you will get an error. Basically, see, you must agree to the privacy policy. This is the error message. This error message I am verifying. So that is what this. And also see, individual first name must be between 1 and 32 characters. So you have to apply boundary value conditions here. So you have to, without giving, if you don't give, and see, you are getting an error. If you give more than 32, you will get an error. So between 1 and 32, you have to give boundary conditions. I explained in the manual testing. These are the test case writing process. You have to give first name between 1 and 32 only. If you give beyond the border, it should not allow. It should throw error message. You have to check this error conditions also, whether error message is displaying or not. So these are the, how you need to write the test cases. So this, if you don't check this checkbox, you need to verify this error message. If you don't give a valid first name, last name, you should get this message. So if you give invalid email address, you will get this message. So telephone must be between 3 and 32 characters. So that is so you must follow this. See, password must be between 4 and 20 characters. So all this criteria, different test case. One is a positive case. So then you will get so many negative cases. So if you don't select you should see this error message. That's the one first negative. And leave all the fields empty. Anywhere if you see this kind of forms, leave the fields blank and submit. You should see error messages. And one by one you can check alternative, right? So all these boundary conditions also you have to check that. So whether that boundary conditions are coming or not, you have to check. Whether it is working in the boundary conditions, out of boundary conditions, whether it is working or not, you have to check. So this is the very, very, very important concept. You should know this test case writing. I don't know how many of you know. That's what I covered here. So registration breadcrumb, email exists.
Sir, first, sir,
Hmm.
so test case first we want to give an every field, sir. One test case, that one. Another test will name is correct, password is wrong. One test case, no, sir. And password is correct, name is wrong. Another test case. Like this, we want to
That
write,
is
no,
for
sir.
login. You are telling for
Okay.
login.
In
Login,
this
this
type
is the
of
registration. This is the registration. Registration is combination of fields. Combination of fields you have to take here. You
okay.
have to take combination. How many fields are there? I told already decision table testing how many test case will be generated. Number of fields to the power of 2. If you do, you will get the number of test cases. So all this logics you have to apply. So that's how we need to develop the test case. Account create header, email exist error message. So account created success message, account created breadcrumb success link, account created continue button, contact us link. So like that we developed these methods. Click on continue button. Here is the click on continue button. Check agree checkbox. select subscribe. So you have to give subscribe option, yes or no you have to give. If you give yes, it will go here. If you give no, it will go here. See, that's all try catch blocks and if else. So this is the regularly you will use exception handling, control structures, and Selenium code. So this is all the regularly used methods. Account created here. So this is the all the test cases. So we have to. So we have finished all the no pages. Now we need to write the test cases for this, right? So if you go to test base class, see all the instead of results page, search results here, because I changed the search results page. So search results page you have to write. Okay. So this is how you need to develop. So in the base class, you are mentioning all the page, and so this one. You are going to create only one time object for this, and you can call that, right? So that's how we can develop. So wherever you need, you can create object, and also you can avoid that, creating multiple objects also. But yeah, so let's see how can we do this. You can call this variables we are declaring once. See, class name, reference variable. This reference variable you can call in your test cases, and you can create object, so wherever you need. So that's what we can see. Now we'll write a first test case. Okay, so the first test case is home page test, right? So home page test. So this, because you developed already home page, this page, all these page methods you are going to use there. That's it. All these page methods you are going to call there. Okay. So that's what we can develop. So here I need to write, yeah, well, fine. So I can develop directly here. So create a class. What is the class? Home page test. Every page you are creating a test case. So home page test. See, its page class is ending with the page keyword. Test cases are ending with the test keyword. That's the standards you must follow. So that's how you can differentiate, right? Which is a test case, which is a page class. And here we are doing like that. So everywhere people will follow this notation in any framework, in Selenium, Playwright, or Cypress. It doesn't matter. Everywhere you will follow the same approach. So now you extend this. Extends test base. So import. Why it's not importing? There is a problem. Let me close this and start it again. Sometimes this is the problem. The Maven is so not working properly. It has to build entire project. So the project is not building properly. Yeah. Let's see. It has to, when you mouse over, it should come automatically. That. See, like this, it should come. It got now. We got it now. Same way, we should get time utils also. We might get now. Okay. But yeah, so anyhow, let's move on. So what I want is, again, test cases means you have to use a test ng annotations. You have to organize your test ng classes, all the test ng annotations you have to use. So first I want to set up. So all the page objects I want to initialize. So that I'll put it at before class. Again, one more time I'm so recollecting. Make sure you remember these annotations. So before class, what it will do, all these annotations you should know. Page, I'll write page class instantiation. So I hope you all know what is meant by page class instantiation setup. I'll put. Okay. So that's a one method, right? Every annotation is a method. So that method we are developing. So home page equal to new home page. So you have to pass a driver. That's it. And next page I want this. I need to navigate to registration page and login page. So I need a registration page also. I need to create new registration page of driver. See, driver we declared in the test base class and we are using. We are not declaring again here. So that's the beauty of that. You are reusing. So all this reusability. So you should not declare multiple times. If anything you are repeating, that's a wrong concept. So that means you are not clear with the Java concepts. So that's the before class. And first test case, at the rate test. So the test case description I can give, right? Description. So equal to, what is the description? So TC01. So verify the open cart page title. Open cart page title. Verify the open cart page title. Oh, sorry. So this is wrong, right? Public void. So you have to give TC01. So verify open cart page title till list. This is the procedure. You see, we are missing the method structure. We should not miss that. So I'll write chain test listener dot, so log. You write what you want to do that. So I can just write this one, my test case, and then just call that assertions. Assert dot assert equals, I want to compare, assert equals. So what you want to compare? Home page dot, so get home page type.